What is going on? I am Mike, and this is all about pressure washing, where we talk all about pressure washing, all about soft washing, and all about the things that are going to help your business grow. And today I've got two guys with me. They just started a pressure washing company here in Savannah, and I want you guys to meet Leon and Chance. We are out here today in beautiful Savannah, Georgia, cleaning a house, a roof, driveway, pool deck, pavers, and the exterior windows. This is a great example of why package deals are so good for your pressure cleaning business. One day, one job, no driving around, no setting up, no breaking down, basically just getting it done. And because this job showcased just about everything that we do, it was an awesome day to bring out Leon and Chance, a father and son team who just started a pressure cleaning business right here in Savannah, Georgia. Leon and I have a mutual friend, and that is how we got to know each other. They've already purchased a nice trailer from a local distributor and are all set to go. The one thing they haven't pulled the trigger on yet is a soft wash system, and that's why they came out today to check out our system, see how it works, and decide if they want to go 12 volt or gas powered. Leon also mentioned that he had a drone and would be willing to take some video for us, so it worked out great for everyone. So why don't you guys tell us why you decided to start a pressure cleaning business?
So I was doing it for a friend, and he just wanted to sit back and make all the money while I was out doing all the work and dealing with the machine breaking down and all that. And so I called him one day and I was telling him that the machine had broke. He started looking into it, doing some research. And
so tell me about your research.
So my research, I saw several guys on YouTube with pressure washing and everything.
Busy man. Taking my customers.
And found several guys, and then I found Mike, all about pressure washing here local. So I messaged him, and he had a mutual friend of mine, so I questioned him about him, and so I messaged him, and we talked on the phone, and we never got a chance to really hook up. So today, we're finally hooking up, and my son, he talked to me about it several times, and I just brushed him off. So finally, I mean, like I say, I found Mike, and he was here local, and he really inspired me to start this business.
Well, man, I appreciate that, and that's why we do this. And like we were talking, there are so many pressure washing trucks that we see rolling up and down the roads here in Savannah and everywhere else in America. And then you look around and there are more houses and more businesses and more trucks and more roofs and more everything. Then we can't clean them all. We are not capable of taking care of all this. So why not help other guys that are getting into the industry? Why not help guys that are in the industry elevate their business, get them to do it right from the beginning, so we're making the money that we need to make. We can charge accordingly. Like this is not an easy job. We're doing the roof, we're doing the house, we're doing this big circular driveway. There's a deck in the back, there's some pavers, and you want to charge accordingly. Now, Leon has done his research, and Chance is going to be out there doing the work with him. We got to get started. We got to have the right equipment. We got to have the right knowledge. And part of that knowledge isn't just how to clean stuff. It's how to price, how to market. And they've done a great job. Their business is called Platinum
Pressure Washing.
Platinum Pressure Washer right here in Savannah. And they are a competitor, but they're a friendly competitor. And I welcome you guys to the industry. I welcome you guys to Savannah. Thanks for coming out today. And like I tell everybody, if you got any questions, just let me know. All right, so those guys have headed out. We have finished the roof. Mac has finished the pavers. He has finished the house. And now he is up front taking care of the driveway. While he's doing the driveway, I wanted to talk a little bit about package deals and why they are so important. We've touched briefly on them before, but if you have the opportunity to have a conversation with the customer and just quote them on one thing, you're doing yourself a disservice. Ask them if they want their windows done. Ask them if they want their driveways done. Ask them if they want their roof cleaned. These are all things that can be upsells, can be cross sells. We've done videos on that. The more you can do at one location, the better off you are. So let's talk about this job. This customer called and she only wanted her house and driveway done. I know the neighborhood, I know she's right on the water, and I had mentioned to her that a lot of her neighbors have had their roofs done. And she walked outside while she was on the phone and said, you know what, my roof really could use it. So I gave her a price and she said, absolutely, that's great. She called me back a little bit later and said, the pavers around the back of the house are really dingy and would love to get a price on that. And while you guys are out here, could you do the exterior windows on the same day? Of course we can, or at least we're gonna try. We might run out of daylight. Anyway, guys, always upsell, always cross-sell, talk to your customers, find out their needs, find out their sticking points, find out what their problems are. We are in this business not just to clean things, we are in them to solve problems. All right, let's go check on what's going on up front. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, so look at me. Hey, so do you still think I'm crazy for helping people out? It's a little windy, but that was a great day, a great job. Mac is still finishing up just some of the minor details, and then he's gonna get started on the exterior windows. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. More importantly, have a great day.